fellow is a fox sparrow. They are among the largest of the sparrows, with heavy spotting and streaked underneath. They are around 7 inches long, or 19 centimeters, with a wingspan of almost a foot. The species has 4 different taxa: red, sooty, slate, and thick-billed. While all 4 are fox sparrows, they look very different. Our visiting fox sparrow is the thick-billed, which are found in California. They forage for food by scratching the ground looking for seeds, which makes them vulnerable to predators. But they are frequent visitors to the safety of bird feeders as well. Here is a wee bit of the fox sparrow's song. Thanks for watching. Until next time.